Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up one last shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash or sodium carbonate for the last 30 minutes. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. I believe for this one, we're gonna do a spiral, but wait, not just any spiral, a bullseye spiral. So yeah.
That's very unladylike.
A little bit, but it's okay. We're dealing with extreme weather out here, people, so you'll have to... We're still getting over being sick, and we're out here in the freezing cold. Probably not the best of ideas, but hey.
My nose is running.
It's all good.
My nose is running, I can't feel my hands.
Anything for the people, right?
Gotta keep y'all entertained.
Yeah. We got a nice spiral shaping up there. Nice spiral.
Is this all gonna go in?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna run rings of color around the outside of it. Going towards the inside, it's gonna be a spiral. A bullseye spiral, I don't know. We'll figure it out.
We'll figure out what to call it.
I guess we could do either one. To the dyeing rack.
To the dyeing rack. Push my spiral up.
Of course.
Yeah. So you mean like put it in the middle and then put the next color out and then the next like
Yep.
make rings?
Yep.
That's what you want to do?
Yep.
Okay. What colors you want?
Full rainbow, man. Go for it.
This is Daddy's direction.
Yeah. Director Daddy here. So we got a center of
Hot pink.
hot pink. Dot of hot pink in the middle. That's good on the hot pink. Then you want to do your next one. The orange sorbet. Nice little ring of sorbet. Look at that, that's shaping up nice. And then we have some citrus yellow.
Lemon.
Oh, lemon yellow, sorry.
The hole on this
Fast
is really
pouring
big.
lemon, yeah. I try to ease the lemon on there. Nice little band of lemon yellow. Nice. Look at that. Cool. And then we got some lime pop.
Green, yeah. I gotta say the rainbow in my head. Make sure I'm doing the right colors.
Oh, it'll be alright. It'll be good either way.
Gotta go red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
Look at that. Get a little extra spritz right there. Yeah, that's good. Looking nice. It is. Then we have some glass here. Great glacier. Great glacier. That's gonna look really good. Get a little drip right there. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Oh, it doesn't get any better than that. Doesn't get any better than that. Time for the flop.
Yeah.
Flip it to the flop. Back to the hot pink. So all total on this one we have hot pink, orange sorbet, lime pop, lemon yellow, glacier blue, and lavender. That looks really cool, don't you think?
Yes.
I do too. I would say I might go a little thinner on the lines on this one.
I thought it was perfect.
Oh, it was, but this side, see how the side is? How like you have less room to work with because it's the back side. It doesn't have as much real estate, but yes, the front was perfect. Absolutely perfect. Citrus yellow. Look at that, that looks so cool.
Gotta do this one delicately, everybody.
Yeah. Could easily end up just having a citrus shirt if the babes is not careful. Lime pop. Good stuff. Man, that looks really good, people. Look at that. Glacier.
Last bit of our little one.
Yep. We got one on reserve over there for people, so don't worry. Plenty of glacier.
I'm gonna try to just get the outskirts because already some of that purple's already come through. Thank God. So
Yep. So it won't
it's already
take a
got
whole
my
lot.
outer ring pretty much
Right.
covered.
Just a little spritz on this side and it'll be fine. That's gonna look so awesome, don't you think?
I hope so. I think so.
I think so too. I have high hopes.
All right.
Nice little hit of the outline.
All right.
To the drying rack. Look at that. That just looks magical.
Magically delicious. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna put this on the second.
Alrighty, next to its counterpart, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty, folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.